Have you ever, in your hikes or camping trips, threw a banana peel in nature, thinking, well, it's natural, it will decompose? Well, stay with us, because in a few minutes, you'll know why you should never do it again, and you'll learn what to do instead. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Yes, banana peels are biodegradable, but that doesn't mean they break down quickly or harmlessly. In cooler, non-tropical environments, a banana peel can take up to 2 years to fully decompose. And this applies to all kinds of peels. For example, orange peels can take up to 6 months to break down in nature. Even apple cores can last up to 8 weeks. Small acts of littering like this may seem harmless, but they add up over time, creating lasting damage to our favourite hiking spots. That's because decomposition depends on factors like temperature, humidity, and the local ecosystem. While it's sitting there, it's not helping the environment, it's hurting it. One major problem is that food waste, like banana peels, attracts wildlife to areas where they wouldn't naturally go. Animals may eat the peels, which aren't part of their regular diets, and this can lead to poor nutrition or even illness. Even worse, it can cause animals to become dependent on human food. Over time, this changes their behaviour, making them more likely to seek out campsites and trails. This not only disrupts the ecosystem, but also increases the risk of dangerous encounters between these animals and people. Discarding food waste doesn't just impact wildlife, it also ruins the beauty of natural trails. Just imagine you're on a peaceful hike, surrounded by pristine nature, and suddenly there's a pile of rotting banana peels on the trail. It happens again and again, and even though it's natural, it's still trash, and nobody wants to see that. On top of that, exotic fruits like bananas don't belong in most ecosystems. Putting foreign organic material can disrupt soil composition and may even attract pests. The solution is simple. Pack out what you pack in and simply use leave no trace principles. Check our blog about it with the second link in the description. You should always bring a waste bag with you to store any trash, including food waste, until you can dispose of it properly. When clicking the first link in the description, we propose portable waste bags for hiking and camping. You can check those. They're lightweight, waterproof and compact. Anyway, being a responsible hiker or camper isn't just about enjoying nature, it's about preserving it for future generations. The next time you snack on the trail, think twice before tossing that peel. Let's work together to keep the wild truly wild.